Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I've got to bring you this story from Lincolnshire Police. It's absolutely and utterly just mind-boggling. I'll read the story as it comes here. A man has been sentenced for air navigation orders breaching legislation. Thomas Link, 34, of Main Road, Brothertoft, has been fined and his drone equipment will be destroyed after pleading guilty to 4 offences at Boston Magistrates Court. I shouldn't laugh. It's absolutely. This is the kind of flyer that gives most people a bad name. A drone was kept within visual, maximum 400 feet height. So basically, an urgent investigation led to Link being identified as equipment. A first-person view drone and 2 radio-controlled aircraft being seized. The investigation revealed that between 1st of March 24 and 18th of June, Ling had flown his first-person view drone at heights up to 12,178 feet on 26 occasions in and around the Boston area. 12,000 feet? 4 charges are 25 offences of flying without an operator licence ID. Well, if that drone came crashing down out the air, you certainly won't want any kind of identification, would you? Jesus Christ. 25 offence of exceeding the max height of 400 feet. 26 offence of flying beyond visual line of sight. 12,000 feet. Ain't no way you're going to see that with your bare eyes, are you? 1 offence of installing or using wireless telegraphy apparatus without a licence granted by Ofcom. I'm assuming he's had some kind of specialist transmitter maybe for his planes. Handed a fine totaling £1,205 and a destruction order was imposed for all the equipment seized by the police. Kev Taylor, chief drone pilot, said they need to be flown responsibly and legally. Well, we all do that anyway, don't we? Regulations are there to ensure drones are operated safely without causing a risk to the public and airspace users. Link's drone was adapted so it could be flown at such high altitudes. Drone hacks. He's obviously got drone hacks on it. I mean, drone hacks is there for occasions when you might need to climb slightly higher than DJI will allow. I mean, there's not many occasions where you need to go above the 400 feet, but occasionally you do. Lincolnshire airspace is congested. We have multiple RAF bases and civilian airfields in our country, including the Red Arrows, Battlebrick, Memorial Flight, Air Ambulance, private and commercial. Lincoln has shown a repeated and blatant disregard for legislation and the safety of both public and airspace in Lincolnshire. Right, I'm going to disagree slightly. It's shown a repeated and blatant disregard. He knows he's doing wrong, or at least if there's any kind of drone pilot, he should know he's doing wrong. So in a way, yeah, a repeated and blatant disregard for legislation. If he didn't know the rules, and like I said, he should do, he's a drone pilot, then it's not a blatant disregard, it's ignorance. But ignorance, of course, is no escape from the law. So these are the 2 planes though. So there's the communications device, and yeah, it's a DJI FPV unit there. So he's been flying that, probably with goggles, and these 2 planes here. But this is just absolutely ridiculous, it really is. I just can't believe that anybody would be... Well, you can believe people are stupid. I've seen videos of people taking quads above the clouds. But they tend to do it in areas where there's no air traffic. I've seen a couple of guys down in Australia do it, and, you know, there's no planes flying over. But even so, you know, it's even if it is, the law's there for a reason. You know, do your best, you know, to sort of obey the law. Don't go above 400 feet. Don't fly near airports or anywhere like that. This is one of the reasons why I'm sorry that drone hacks has become so popular. It's allowed idiots like this to basically just do something really stupid. I'm not condemning drone hacks. It is a necessity tool for some people, but really, this guy is just a complete and utter tater. I'll leave the link to this Facebook post that I did down below if you want to go have a read of it. You know, read the whole story kind of thing. But you know, sometimes I just despair. I really do. Anyway, that's all for me. Take care, and as always, unlike this guy, fly safely.